Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food. And you know, sometimes you want to create a birthday cake, but you just don't have time. I'm going to show you the simplest thing in the world. You can either make the cupcakes or you can store-bought the cupcakes, and you're just going to design it into the number that the person is turning. I'm going to show you something that I did for someone very special in my life who turned 60 today, and I made a 60 birthday cake cupcakes. So let me show you how simple this is, how fun it is, and then all the amazing things that you can do to alter it to actually go with the theme of something that they enjoy. For my guy, it happens to be succulents and cactus. So I'm gonna be designing some cactus and succulents on top of his 60 cupcakes. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's get started. So I've spooned out my creamy vanilla frosting that I bought at the store. Super simple. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 15 seconds so it softens up a little bit so I can dip them in so it makes a nice clean layer for me to decorate on top. So as you can see, it's now nice and saucy, which is what I want. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of color, not too much, because I am going to be decorating on top. And then we're gonna dip these and make them really, really pretty. So just take my cupcake, dip it in, bring it up, swirl it around, and then you have a nice dipped cupcake. All right, I'm gonna do that with all 24, and then we're ready to decorate. All the cupcakes are dipped. Now I'm just going to let them set for just a little bit, and then we're gonna get started on decorating. So now that my cupcakes have set, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to divide my buttercream into two colors. I've got a turquoise color and a beautiful purple color. And I'm gonna make a two-tone piping, so it's gonna make some really beautiful succulent flowers. The easiest way to do two-tone is you just take a knife, and on one side you're going to put the frosting of one color, and then you take the other color and you just bring it on the other side, turn it around, and now fill it in like that. And then just kind of keep doing that till it fills all the way up to the top. So if you don't have a large plate to hold the cupcakes, what you do is you just take a cookie sheet, cover it with a plastic tablecloth, and just tape it onto the bottom, as you can see that I've done right here. I just folded it like I was going to wrap a present, and then now I'm ready to place all my cupcakes on to make the number.
Was there a problem? Way more time.
Eat it. Just eat it.
Riker. Oh my goodness.